Napahanga ang ilang basketball fans sa NBA Summer League debut ni Phil-Am player Dylan Harper. Nanguna siya sa mga nakascore para sa San Antonio Spurs, kaya nakuhang talunin ang koponan na first pick pa sa naturang liga. Nakatutok si Martin Javier.
Mga kapuso, dito sa Thomas & Mack Center sa Las Vegas, Nevada, nagaganap ang 2025 NBA Summer League at sa wakas, makikita na natin maglaro ang Filipino-American player at number 2 pick sa nakaraang NBA draft na si Dylan Harper.
Unang laro, unang panalo. Nanaig ang San Antonio Spurs kontra Dallas Mavericks sa score na 76-69. Pinangunahan ni Dylan Harper ang kanilang team with 16 points and 6 rebounds.
I feel great. I mean, like you just said, I ain't playing a while, but I mean, once the ball went up, it just felt like regular basketball to me again. Now I'm just gonna go out there and make the right play.
Proud ang Pinay mother ni Dylan na si Maria na dumayo pa mula New Jersey para mapanood ang game.
I thought great overall game. He played really well. I was just excited to see him back on the floor, and I know he felt the same way.
Kwento niya, hindi man lumaki sa Pilipinas, maituturing na Filipino household ang kinalakihan ni Dylan.
We are very in touch with our Filipino side. My mom and my dad and my 3 sisters have been a really big part of my children's lives. We have Filipino traditions, the midnight mass for Pasko, but going to church on Sunday, going to Lola's for Sunday dinner, all still things that we want to do with our kids. As far as Filipino foods, I mean, I make lumpia, and I'm really good at that.
At katulad ng isang pamilyang Pilipino, close rin daw ang Harper family.
So proud of them. Of course, Dylan was on the court tonight, but really Ronald had such a big impact. He gets a lot of the credit, in my opinion, for Dylan being who he is today.
May sorpresa naman sila para sa Pinoy fans next year.
We are looking forward to coming to visit you guys next summer.
Mula sa Las Vegas, Nevada, ako si Martin Javier, nakatutok 24 oras.